Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study unit number 7 poem When I Set Out for Lordliness written by Thomas Hardy. But before reciting this poem, I want to tell you that when this video will come, prose part means story part pending vocabulary or grammar part will come also with this poem. Okay, let's start reciting this poem. When I set out for loneliness 100 miles away, the rime was on the spray and starlight lit my lonesomeness. When I set out for loneliness 100 miles away, what would behenge at loneliness while I should Surajam there? Sujaram means temporary resident. No prophet durst declare, nor did the wisest wizard guess, what would behenge at loneliness while I should sojourn there? When I return from loneliness with magic in my eyes, all marked with the mute sun surmise. Surmise means guess. My radiant, rare, and fathomless means bottomless. When I return from loneliness with magic in my eyes, written by Thomas Hardy. Now I will discuss the poem. It's a summary of the poem. The poem comes from Hardy's memory of a trip he took a parish in connection with the restoration of a church, although nothing is mentioned in this poem about this. It is obvious that the poet is quite excited and happy about this trip, though loneliness is a mythological lost land. Beginning with these lines, the poem appears to take the reader on a trip when I set out for loneliness 100 miles away. The reader learns that the trip will cover about 100 miles. Initially, the speaker of the poem was lonely, probably dreading his time away from home and his comforts. On the other hand, no fortune teller or magician could have foretold, means advanced telling, what would happen while he was there. The speaker can hardly believe what occurred himself, nor did the wisest wizard guess what would behenge at loneliness while I should sojourn there, never telling what did transpire. The reader is fully aware that this was a transforming event in the poet's life. However, he does not explain himself. Note that loneliness is the mention twice in every stanza. This promotes the idea of the time he spent on this trip was more than real, possibly heavenly. To the poet, his trip is loneliness but a twinkle in his eyes and magic in his heart. So this is the summary of the poem. I I am telling some glossaries, phrases, and special uses, some words that you can understand the meaning. Parish means area having its own church. Then crumpled means creased or wrinkled. Rime means frost, means snow. Spray means leaves and branches of tree, foliage or foliage. Lit here wiped out. Lonesomeness means loneliness. Friendlessness means behenge. Behenge means happen, come about, or take place. Sojourn means visit or stay. Prophet means a person who predicts the future. Drust means dared. And wizard means magician. Surmise means guess or assumptions. Radiance means delight. Sorry, or pleasure. Rare means priceless or invaluable. Fath- Fathomless means bottomless or incomprehensible. Here some phrases and idioms are set out for means start journey for some destination. So I'm sorry, I'm in cold. So this is the basic of the poem. I will give you homework that you will write in your workbook and send as per to me. Okay, see you in next class.